you know where you're going, Shmuel?
Yeah.
You okay? You wanna go?
I go there.
You wanna go that way? Wonder what's this way. Whoa. Anything there?
Yeah.
You know where you're going? Do you want to lead or do you want Abba to lead? I think you're quite happy, aren't you? Aha. Where are we going?
I'm not sure.
Do you know how are we going to get home?
Lately.
No, there must be another way home. Carry on walking. You keep walking until you find somewhere. You have to get us out of here, okay? It's safe, Shmuel, otherwise Abba wouldn't be here.
I'm with Papa.
I know. Do you want a jumper?